So when I say for the do reverse parallel parking, you need to give a signal left, okay, when we approaching the car. Okay, do the reverse parallel parking behind that silver car.
Okay. And around here is good?
Give your signal now, yes. And you need to match mirror to mirror and keep your car more than half meter away, yeah?
Okay.
And less than 1 meter. So if too close, it means we might hit the car. If too far, we blocking the road. So very good, match mirror to mirror. Now next step, put your gear reverse first, letting others know you're reversing your car. Now steering half turn left, only half, yeah? Again signal, give your signal because when you turn, okay, now we ready. So you need to do observation when your reverse gear and your half steering left is on. Now check with the right mirror, one, middle, left, and physically check. Very good. Now no one is coming, release the brake. So when you see your car is going too fast, then touch your gentle brake, okay? Keep going, so until that line will touch to the gutter. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Now stop there. Now steering full turn right. And give a signal left again, because when we turn right, signal cancel. Now do head check. No one is coming. Okay, release the brake again slowly. And now you need to check that blind spot mirror, because this one will show you when your car straight. That's it. Now turn your steering 1.5 left. Very good. So now we are close enough, so then you don't need to go far away. If you are a bit far, when you're not able to see the base of tire, move your car a bit further. So but now we are pretty much good. So handbrake, parking on. Look at that, how time it took, maybe less than 30 seconds if you follow the step.
Yeah, follow steps, yeah.
So whenever they say do the reverse parallel parking behind that black, brown, white, whatever car, when you're approaching, you need to give a signal left, telling others no, you're going to stop your car. Okay, then match mirror to mirror that car, and your gap should be more than half meter, less than 1 meter. So more than half meter means you not hitting the car. And if it more stop your car more far away, more than 1 meter, 1.5 meter, then it means you blocking the road. Yes, so that's what they don't want. So after that, straight away reverse gear, half steering left, reverse gear and half steering left. After that, you ready. Then you do your quick observation, checking with the front right mirror, middle, left, and physically back of the window. All clear, then release the brake. So when you're releasing the brake, because sometimes the roads are bit taper, like car goes fast, then you touch your gentle brake, yeah?
Okay.
And when you touching the curve with that yellow and green red light, then stop it. After that, turn steering all the way right, because when you turn steering all the way right, your signal will get cancelled. So give your signal again left and quickly do head check. After that, when you're releasing your brake, you need to check that blind spot mirror. It will show you when your car is straight. So after that, when we stop there, if you're able to see the base of the tire of the front car, we're touching the road. So that's the safe gap. So this time we are good enough, so we don't need to move further, yeah? And now, whenever they say, after that, they will open the window and they check the tires is closing to the curb. Yes, pretty much good. And then they say, okay, when safe, move off your car. So now we are too close, and I advisable reverse your car. So when you're reversing your car, what do you need to do first?
Okay, so first.
Yes, reverse gear.
Reverse.
And now you physically check window. Very good. Make it safe cap. Keep going. This is the good one. Very good. Now put to drive and your signal right. So now minimum 5 seconds. When you give signal, checking mirror, main mirror, no one, right mirror, and do head check, then you move. Very good. So also looking, no one coming in the front, yeah, because from my seat I can't see.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, keep going straight. So that's the way you need to do your reverse parallel parking. Okay,
Okay.
thank you.